Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and here I gonna show you how to change the username to a different one after you reserve on sign up Clubhouse account. So your profile is easy to search on and share with your friends. Follow the video till the end to get all about the username guide and tips on change on the Clubhouse. Let's get started. Make sure your Clubhouse app is updated with the latest version from the App Store. Before start, listen to this important note. After signup account with a username, you can only change one time only. Later on, you have to delete this account and recreate using the same mobile number and username after 30 days period. After that, Clubhouse not guaranteed about you will get the new username that you want if it's whitelisted or reserved by someone. So choose it wisely. Here's my video on how to delete the account and some Clubhouse username ideas. Let's change it and move to your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Here's your profile screen. Just tap on username and apply different one username and tap on update button. You will see the option looks good. Just tap on it with any set of different usernames without any extra verification process. To see the changes, move back to the previous screen and reopen the profile. Here's the changed username. Later on you can change and say your username can't change. Hope you get the important tips and settings in this video, so thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Also, comment on me to get more help from us.